Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your T80 Ferrari 488 GTB Edition on PC. First, connect the USB cable from your T80 racing wheel to an available USB port on your computer. Then, plug the pedals set into the wheelbase. Make sure all connections are secure before proceeding to the next step. This ensures proper communication between your hardware and PC. Next, you'll need to install the official Thrustmaster drivers. Visit their support website and download the latest driver package for your T80 Ferrari 488 GTB Edition. Run the installer and follow the prompts. After installation, open the Thrustmaster control panel to calibrate your wheel and pedals, ensuring precise input for your racing games. Once drivers are installed and calibrated, launch your preferred racing game. Go to the game's Options or Settings menu, usually under Controls or Peripherals. Select your T80 wheel as the primary controller. You can then customize button assignments and pedal sensitivity to match your driving style, enhancing your overall gaming experience. Finally, test your setup by starting a race or practice session. Check that all buttons, the steering, and pedals respond correctly. If your game supports it, fine-tune sensitivity and any available force feedback settings for optimal feel. Should you encounter any persistent issues, refer to the Thrustmaster support website for troubleshooting guides or contact their customer service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.